name is Jesse Sumpter, and I want to tell you about something that I love most in the world besides my son David and my daughter Christina. It's my 1973 Lincoln Continental Mark IV. Isn't it grand? I just love it. I got it in 1978. Then it was just 5 years old and had only 50,000 miles on it. I wanted something special for myself. Sort of a gift. I got it from a wholesale dealer for practically nothing. It had only one license plate on it. For some reason, I got suspicious. So I had the license plate number looked up at the county. And I found out that license plate number belonged to a Chevy. What the hell? I had the title of the car anyway. They really don't make cars like this anymore. See how long it is? Let me show you the interior. It has real leather upholstery. Red, of course. It's got power brakes, power steering, the works. Well, I just love it. Come on, I'll take you for a ride. That's okay, baby. Oh, what the hell? For one thing, it's a very, very heavy car, and it has an extremely smooth ride. It's just like driving around in an armored tank. A couple of years ago, I was hit by a pickup truck going 85 miles an hour. I hardly felt the impact. However, it demolished the truck. Another thing, I identify with this car. I look right in it. I feel right in it. We belong together.
I'll be stronger than before. I will love you even more. Oh, I'll take you back if you come back. I'll take you anywhere you ever want to be. You're the light inside of me. Oh, I'll take you back if you come back.
I thought about an economy car. We've got a saying in Spanish, perro chico no vale madre, and it means economy cars suck. I like to drive around in a car you can sublease. I just like big cars. That'll be 110.50.
I'll be stronger than before.
Since 1978, I fixed up all kinds of things. I fixed the front end, got new tires, had it painted. I've had some interior work done too. I guess I've spent between $250,000 and $300,000 on it, but it's in better shape than when I first got it.
You heard the whole thing before. Then once again,
People often ask me if I sleep with my Lincoln.
I'll tell you
Of
more.
course not. It's too big to get in bed.
I would be a fool to ever let you go. But I had to go.
Hey, Jeff, how's it
away
going?
to find
Hey, Tom, how the hell are you?
I need you back. I need your love.
That was my friend Tom Wallace. He thinks he's hot shit because he drives around in a Cadillac.
I'll be stronger than before. I will love you even more. Oh, I'll take you back if you come back. I'll take you anywhere you ever want to be. You're the light inside of me. Oh, I'll take you back if you come back to me.
You know, in 10 years, my car will be an antique. And so will I. Then it'll be one antique driven by another antique.